Yo, 16 units in Detroit. You're not gonna believe the price. Check this out. All right, today I'm with my man Antoine in the D, and he's selling this 16 unit building and giving us a tour. So in the comments, make sure y'all thank him. But yeah, Antoine, how long you been doing real estate?
I've been doing about 4 years now in Detroit.
4 years in Detroit. Born and raised in the D?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you cheer for the Lions, the Tigers, the Red Wings, and...
With a sad face. No, die hard.
Yeah, everybody from Detroit, bro.
Yeah.
Die hard.
Yeah.
They be die hard. They love their teams. The Pistons, whatever. Now, like I told you the other night.
Pistons looking good.
Yeah, Pistons got something to be proud of. They got multiple finals under their belt. Yeah. So, but anyway, so you got this 16 unit. So, just tell me what I'm in right now. It looks like a studio. Is that correct?
Yeah. So this is a 16 unit, 13 one bedrooms. 3 studios. Currently, we're in one of the studios. So, you know, people not familiar with studio layouts, it's basically a living area, kitchen, bathroom, and a closet. That's it. So it's no bedroom.
Okay. So, all right, no bedroom. So basically, you're gonna put your bed right here. That's your bathroom. That's your kitchen. If you look over here, you know the last time electrical been updated?
Updated? No, sir. No, it's pretty much been in the same condition. Well, it's pretty much been in the same condition like this, maybe like a year. Prior to that, the owner had it maybe about 4 years, and it was occupied. So, as far as the updates, there's really no updates. It still looks the same. But electrical has been on, for the last probably 5 years. It works, yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, it works. I don't know what's going on here. I guess that's the window unit for the AC.
Yep, AC unit.
All right, so you got 2 closets.
Yep.
Another closet and
bathroom.
Yep. This is a welcome to Detroit. All right.
Yes.
Hey, but before we leave that, I would say that unit will probably need we can get this right on 15,000, and I'm talking about updating it and having it looking good on 15,000. So.
Yeah, I was thinking 10 to 15 for sure.
Yeah,
for sure. This one is floor buckle from plumbing, so buckled and worked.
Okay, wait. So it's missing the door here. So.
Yeah. This is a 1 bedroom.
Okay, so the bedroom, definitely pretty good size bedroom.
Definitely fit a good king size in here.
Living room, kitchen. Our good buddies took the AC unit again.
All our homes got them.
But if you go back with window units, which you can, it got baseboard heat.
Y'all got that down there in NC?
Yeah, baseboard heat. Some old spots still got it. Gotcha. Most people, they update to HVAC. But if you go back, I really think that 15,000 because we got to see, 15, what's going on under that rug.
Plumbing, like I told you, the 2 main issues with this building is molding and plumbing. It's a mold issue in the basement and plumbing, but you'll see when we get in the basement how it is. Those are the 2 biggest issues because, like you say, walking through these units visually and, like you say, 10 to 15, well, we can say 15 grand, that'll get you together for the units. So that's not really the main issue. The main issue of bulk rehab is the buckling and warping of the floors, which is caused by plumbing and molding.
Panel's not too bad, to be honest with you.
No, it's not.
It's not too bad. Somebody did something the last 30 years.
For sure.
Yeah, somebody did something the last 30 years. Okay.
Go down to the basement.
Okay, cool. All right. This is what we came for. This is what we came for.
This is a studio.
All right, this is a studio. All right, so the water damage is tearing this apart. A lot of mold. Unfortunately, we're in hell in that. So, subway tile. Okay. So this is a studio.
Yeah. This is probably probably the worst unit.
Yeah, absolutely. If you back up and you look at that wall,
that's some of the mold issue I was talking about upstairs. Probably just like being here about 30 seconds or less. We don't want to have too much of it. But yeah, that's the mold issue I was talking about. That's in the basement of the building.
Okay, so where is this water coming from?
I believe a busted pipe.
Busted pipe.
Yeah, busted pipe. Because the water was turned off. Then it was like turned back on and it wasn't winterized.
Yeah.
So it just came on just shooting through shit.
I will put 25,000 into that unit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like this right here, a lot of the pipe and bust right here. So that's where a lot of the floor is buckled on that one unit we was in. Up in here. Pipe and bust right here. Furnace, boiler, hot water tank is pretty new. Electrical units, everybody got that on a separate meter.
Okay.
Everybody has their own storage unit.
Storage, okay.
Hot water tank, I believe, is within 5 years old. It's not. It looks, you can tell it looks pretty decent.
Yeah, it looks pretty now. This water is still leaking over here.
Yeah, it's still leaking, sure. We're going to take it to the other side upstairs.
Okay.
These are another 2 units. You want to check them out?
Nah, I'm gonna take your word for it.
Yeah.
All right, so those are this is a unit over here.
No, that's a door to upstairs.
Well, that's a door upstairs.
And this is, we're going this way. But
This-
these are 2 more units.
2 more units. Okay. All right. So, and these units are soaked. We're not gonna go in there, but you might as well say like 25.
These are 4 units. All these are 1 bedrooms.
Okay.
So 4 1-bedroom units.
All right.
1, 2, and the floor is warped and buckled from the plumbing.
Yeah, so that's water and winter to combine, make the floor buckled. But if you see, they got some beautiful hardwood floors. Floors were beautiful at one point.
Yeah.
Water could do more damage than anything else. Just water sitting at a property, it can do so much damage. If you're looking down, this is hardwood. That water and cold just made it buckle.
Yeah. Probably the best bedroom. One of the better bedrooms.
Yeah, one of the better bedrooms. Now, if you go back and hit this unit with hardwood, it would be extremely expensive. It'd be a lot cheaper to do LVP.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's your vinyl plank. But this hardwood is beautiful. Now, I don't know what Detroit people normally do.
Mm-hmm.
Like in Charlotte right now, luxury vinyl plank is very popular,
Yeah.
and you can get away with it. You can get away with it in $1 million homes.
Is it durable?
Very durable, very
Okay.
durable. It's supposed to be waterproof and scratch proof. Now in Detroit, I know a lot of houses have hardwood.
Right.
So
No, I mean it's like you say, it's getting to the point where, long as it's affordable, durable, long lasting, it's not really a preference. I mean, because this is an apartment is different from a house. A house might prefer some hardwood, but an apartment like this, 16 units, and we got to get the job done with a rehab budget, so.
no bathroom wasn't bad at all. Old subway tile.
Yeah.
You can actually get this painted white.
Yep.
Change the knobs here. Okay, this is not bad at all. The water didn't get here yet to do so much damage. Floors are beautiful. Nice size closet space. You get this closet space, and this is 1 bedroom.
Yeah, it's 1 bedroom.
Yeah, man, this is a nice size closet space. Put clothes over here, put shoes over there. Yeah, you got something to work with here.
Yeah, for sure. Definitely not short on storage.
Yeah, bathrooms in decent shape.
Oh yeah. What would you do with them cabinets? You'll paint them or check them out and put new ones in your opinion?
If I was penny pinching this job, I would just paint them.
Paint them? Okay.
Yeah, but if I was doing this apartment unit, I'm trying to attract, I'm trying to get top rent, I'll probably redo these.
Gotcha. Like I said, the higher up is the, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
A little better.
Water, being rise to the top.
Yeah.
I mean, it's the same setup as the next one.
Yeah.
So, Antoine, how much are you selling this building for?
Currently the building is $500,000.
So, just to give me an idea, how much could a 1-bedroom rent for in this area?
This area, currently 1 bedroom, I would say easily 800.
800 for a 1-bedroom in this area.
Yes.
And then you have 3 of these are the 16 units of studios, correct?
Yes.
How much can you get a studio in this area?
700 easy.
700 easy. And
like the 1 bedroom is 800 probably to 900 right now because the rent rate is
it's
increasing.
insane
Yeah,
everywhere.
it's
everywhere.
increasing. Yeah.
Okay. Let me do some math, right? So 13 times 900. That's 11.7 a month. Okay, 11.7 a month.
Mm-hmm.
And then
3 studios.
3 studios at what?
700. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's 2,100. So 11,700 plus 2,100, potentially 13,800. This builder could produce an income. Okay.
Right.
So that's anywhere else in the country, right? I would probably have to spend right now while the market is cooling off. Ideally, 1.3. But being that the multifamily market has been so hot, people are charging 1.4, 1.5 to get $13,000 worth of income.
Really?
Yeah. So I can come here. Let's say I buy the building for 500. Now I'm gonna use a high number. Let's say we do 25 per unit because 25 per unit is including shared space, updating the shared space like hallways and everything else. Preparing for worst case scenario. So 25 times 16 equals 400,000. So 500, 400, and you make 13,000 some change a month, which is actually an insane return because anywhere else in the country is going to cost you a lot more. This is what's considered a value add. All right, so Antoine, if somebody wants to reach you because they're interested in buying this building, how could they reach you?
You guys can contact me on Instagram at Franklin Holdings on Instagram. And then on the contact tab, it's the email and the phone number if you know to reach me directly on there. But again, that's Franklin Holdings on Instagram.
There you have it. If you want to interested in the building, reach out to him, follow him, see what he's doing, look at his journey. And just to let you know, man, so much going on in Detroit right now. A lot of gentrification on the outskirts of downtown. Downtown is beautiful here. They have a riverfront. The only thing separating these guys from Canada is actually a river. You can actually look on the river and see Canada. Canada can see Detroit. It's actually really cool. A lot going on in Detroit. You know, I know Detroit has had a bad rap for the last few years, but I've seen it with my own eyes, the progress and all that. You got the brother here making hella bread out here in Detroit. Like the money is here and the money is always in real estate. Thank you for watching and make sure y'all watch the video right next to me. Peace.